Hey girl, I don't know if you can hear the music in the background, but I'm in this class and it's a breakout thing. So, oh my gosh, just ignore it if you can. All right, so really quick, let me do the Class Connect. So you're gonna come up here to Class Connect. Sorry, just had a brain fart. Hold on, let me go to go to a class. You're going to go to the actual session right here, okay? So you go to the name, the session name, and you click that. Wait for it. Okay, so now I'm here. And then you are going to come up here to Files. And you're going to come over here to Add File. Click that. You're going to go find your file. So mine's called Meet the Teacher, I think. Yeah. Meet the Teacher. So you double click it, get it over there. And you can see I've already downloaded one, but I wanted to take you through the process. So what you're going to do is just wait. You're going to see that it's converting. And once it flips over, it's going to just be white. I'll show you. Hold on just a second. Wait for it. I really hope this recording works. Okay, so it's there. So you're going to click that. You're going to press play. And then it's going to be on your screen. Okay? So do that and see if that works, all right? Let's see if I can figure out how to turn this thing off.